Hello friends and fellow homesteaders, Wes here, and I'm coming from our homestead here on our ranch here in Texas. I wanted to show you something really neat that we're excited about this winter. This year we ordered some of the Victory Garden seed collection from Four Patriots, and I gotta tell you, we're really impressed with it so far. A huge selection, obviously, of different vegetables and herbs, non-GMO. This is exactly what you want if you are preparing for a harsh winter or even colder temperatures and you have an indoor garden. This is a great little seed collection to keep you going this winter. We've got our lettuce that's just, as of this morning, looks like it's coming up and coming in. So far we're really excited about it. Of course, when you have food on your property, you can only count on yourself for the food. That gives you just a great peace of mind. And so it's just exciting for us as a family to have a project together where we can grow some of our own food. So I encourage each and every one of you to go online to Four Patriots, take a look at what they've got, order yourself a little seed packet here, and get some of these things for yourself. Anyway, stay safe and stay healthy and enjoy the outdoors with your family. We'll talk to you later.